today's property tour, we're going to El Sereno. The address is 3701 Collis Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90032. I am Victoria.Munoz with Compass, and I do buyer property tours, or if you're a homeowner or seller needing to sell your home, you can contact me through the information provided here. So today's open house is listed at $1,295,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 1,856 square feet of living space. It's only been on the market for, I believe, 1 day. Today is the first broker's open. This home was originally built in 1939. So come with me to tour this beautiful Spanish-style home in El Sereno. Okay, we made it. 3701 Collis Avenue in Los Angeles, California, 90032. It's low maintenance, front yard. Hey! Hi! How are you? We just came from the outside. It's nice. It was built in 1939, Spanish style. Yeah. Okay, here's the other bathroom. Looks almost identical to the other one, but this has a different candle. Oh, I love the bench in the shower. Let's keep going. This is my favorite room. Okay, so that's it. Let's leave. This is a listing by Figure 8. So we just toured the home and now we're going to drive around. If you're interested in El Sereno, please get in touch with me. I was born and raised here. Secret pizza place that a lot of people talk about, to your right in the corner. That used to be, I remember a long time ago, that used to be a biker bar. And speaking of long time ago, I was baptized at this church, Our Lady of Guadalupe. My grandma lived in the project.